Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 8th, 2025, and we're diving into Flutter's Q1 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Flutter has been making waves in the online sports betting and iGaming industry, and their latest earnings report is quite impressive.
Absolutely. Flutter has been expanding its global footprint and leveraging its competitive advantages. Let's explore their financial performance and strategic initiatives in detail. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Flutter reported a revenue of $3.6665 billion for Q1 2025, marking an 8% increase year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
Flutter's revenue growth is driven by its strong market position and diversified portfolio. The company has effectively capitalized on the growing demand for online sports betting and iGaming, particularly in the U.S. market.
Indeed, and their net income surged by 289%, with adjusted EBITDA growing by 20%. How significant is this for Flutter's overall performance?
This is a remarkable achievement. The substantial increase in net income and EBITDA reflects Flutter's operational efficiencies and strategic investments. Their ability to deliver such growth in a competitive market is commendable.
U.S. market leadership and innovation. Flutter has maintained its leadership in the U.S. market with an 18% revenue growth. John, can you elaborate on their performance in this region?
Flutter's U.S. operations, particularly through FanDuel, have been exceptional. They've achieved a 15% growth in sportsbook and a 32% increase in iGaming. Their innovative offerings, like the next-generation pricing capability, have enhanced customer engagement and retention.
And with over 4.3 million average monthly players, it seems their customer base is expanding rapidly.
Absolutely. The growth in AMPs indicates strong customer acquisition and retention strategies. Flutter's focus on innovation and customer experience is clearly paying off.
International expansion and strategic acquisitions. Moving to Flutter's international operations, they reported $2 billion in revenue. John, how is Flutter expanding its global presence?
Flutter's international growth is underpinned by strategic acquisitions and market expansion. The completion of the SNAI acquisition in Italy and the imminent NSX acquisition in Brazil are key milestones. These moves enhance their scale and market position in these regions.
And their Southern Europe and Africa region saw a 14% revenue growth. What factors contributed to this performance?
The growth in SEA is driven by strong AMP growth and favorable sports results. Flutter's ability to leverage its scale and local expertise has been instrumental in capturing market share in these regions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss Flutter's operational efficiencies and future outlook. They've initiated a $300 million cost savings program. John, how does this impact their financial health?
Flutter's focus on cost efficiency is crucial for sustaining profitability. The cost savings program, along with their disciplined approach to investments, strengthens their financial position and supports long-term growth.
And with a leverage ratio of 2.2x and a share repurchase program of $230 million, what does this indicate about their capital management?
These metrics reflect Flutter's robust capital management strategy. The share repurchase program demonstrates their commitment to returning value to shareholders, while maintaining a healthy leverage ratio ensures financial flexibility.
Looking ahead, Flutter has provided a revenue guidance of $17.08 billion for 2025. What are your thoughts on their growth prospects?
Flutter's growth prospects are promising, driven by their strategic initiatives and market leadership. Their ability to navigate regulatory challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities positions them well for continued success.
Key takeaways. In summary, Flutter has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025, with impressive growth in revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and market leadership continue to drive their success.
Indeed, Flutter's ability to innovate and expand its global presence is commendable. Their focus on long-term growth and value creation makes them a compelling investment prospect.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Flutter's performance in the comments below.